Welcome to 3812 Santa Julia. This home sits at the very north end of Sonoma Ranch Boulevard. And as you know, I'm a total Sonoma Ranch girl, and I'm so excited to walk you through this one. Ooh, I love this courtyard. So, this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a dedicated office. And as you notice that the office is right away as you walk in, it's super spacious. And I love this little recessed lighting. It's got some natural light and lighting all together. It would be a perfect place for a bookshelf or a cozy reading spot. As we step out, this opens into the main living area. And I'm a big fan of this floor plan. You've got high ceilings, tons of open space, and even though it's unfurnished, you can really picture how everything comes together. Right here, this is where I would put a bar. Now that's me, guys. You've already got the lighting up top, so imagine a bottle display, some wine storage, crystal or champagne glasses on this other side. It would look incredible. Now let's talk about this kitchen. You've got this beautiful refrigerator, stacked oven and microwave, and a true gourmet kitchen setup with tons of counter space. It overlooks the fireplace and living area, which makes it a perfect if you like to entertain or just want to keep an eye on the TV while you're cooking. And how about this pantry? So huge, so much shelving and storage. I'm also really loving this built-in drop zones lately, the spots where you can sit, kick off your shoes, and hang your coats. Those little functional details really matter. This home has a 3-car garage, and here's something cool. You actually have a rear car door garage. So if you wanted to access from the backyard or space for a utility vehicle, it's already set up. There's also a ton of overhead storage in here right off the garage. As you come out, you have your laundry room, which I believe is super convenient. All right, back into the home because this space is just so good. Let's head into the primary suite. So the lighting in here is gorgeous. If you place your bed along that wall right there, you've got amazing reading lights and switches on both sides. So the little details that make the difference matter in this home. The primary bathroom is spacious and well thought out. Dual sinks on opposite sides, a large walk-in shower with seating, and of course, you know, us girls, we need that for shaving, and a dedicated vanity space if you like to sit and do your makeup. You don't have to put it in the main room. And I absolutely would add a full-length mirror right here. And then here's the closet. Tons of space. His, hers, or all yours. No judgment. One of my favorite features is the direct access from the closet to the laundry room. No hauling laundry across the house. I think that's a huge win personally. And yes, there is a tub. But I'm not a huge tub person, but every now and then, a glass of wine, soak, relax, it works. Now, let's head right back out and let's check out the other side of the house. So, you've got the office again. Plus multiple bedrooms, all walk-in closets, okay? The colors are bold, but paint is easy. That's one of the simplest fixes when it comes to a house. This bathroom right here has both a shower and a tub. And here is bedroom number 3. Well, plenty of space. You really don't have to pick favorite kids because most of these bedrooms have walk-in closets. Now, let's check out the rooms back here. Once again, you have your 3rd bathroom, shower and tub. Here is bedroom number 4. Now, this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, but that's okay. You know, you could give this room probably to your little youngest. And then this room back here, which is so cool. Cathedral ceilings, extra niches, lots of space. Great for that older kid. guest suite or even a second living area if you really wanted to. Overall, this home has tons of natural lighting, large windows throughout, and great flow. The colors are a little darker than I would like, but the light balance is beautiful. Like, it really does bring it all together. But if you don't like the colors, absolutely easily changed. Now let's step outside. This backyard is such a nice setup. It's not oversized, but it's incredibly functional. You've got an outdoor kitchen with a built-in refrigerator. Let's check this out. Ooh, makes life so much easier if you're just wanting a beer out here. And then, of course, you have a fireplace and a space for extra seating. And you even have a TV mount right over that fireplace. There's turf throughout, and the back views here are incredible. So, what surprised me was this gated pool area. Now, this pool, it's not massive, but it's the perfect size to cool off in our hot summers. And the gate is great if you have kids or pets. You also have access from the back of the garage. Plus, you have extra seating over here if you really wanted to. So you could put more furniture out by the pool. And like I said, the views back here, they don't hide from any angle. And I don't think that this video does them any justice. This home is listed at $645, which I genuinely think is a steal. If you try to build the same home today, then add the pool and the backyard and all of these upgrades, you'd be well above that price. It's already built, already done. And this is one of the things I love about Las Cruces. You get so much home for the money.